Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you trying to enter giveaways in Whatnot live shows but the entry button does nothing, keeps failing or won't let you in? Here's the fix. First close Whatnot from your recent apps completely, then reopen it. Rejoin the show. The giveaway button sometimes stops responding after the app has been running for a long time without being fully closed. And a fresh session fixes it. If this app still does not work, go to your settings on your iPhone, then scroll to the list of apps or search to the list of apps for Whatnot. Once you see it, tap on it and then tap background app refresh and cellular data and make sure that both of them are turned on. Since giveaway entries are submitted as real-time server requests and a weak or restricted connection will silently fail them. Also, go to the App Store, search for Whatnot, and update the app to the latest version. Giveaway entry bugs have been noted in this specific build and are patched in newer releases. If none of these fixes it, try on a different Wi-Fi network or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data since some network configurations block Whatnot's real-time request at endpoints. So, all you've got to do is force close and reopen fresh, check connection settings, update Whatnot, and try mobile data. Giveaway entries work, and that's it. Subscribe.